So this project I've done for a client who had a warehouse, and the objective was to use the camera to be able to read the inventory in the warehouse. So it was a tough but interesting project, and I used Python and use a few libraries like OpenCV and Java Boop, and also part of it we also created a model and use that also to be able to find out the location where the QR code is. So the cameras were Hikvision, and this was the model that we created, a custom model, and it is fully trained on that. And we had inventory of it, and this is the feed on it, and it's going to rate based on the images that we feed it, where is the location of the QR code. And once we have the location, then we would feed that to the OpenCV to being able to read the QR code and come back with the number. So this is how the warehouse was, and you can see the number of rows, and on the rows you see a orange tag. On those orange tags was the QR code affixed on it. And the cameras, if you're going to notice, it's up on the roof just outside the range of the picker, which is there in the foreground. So if you look at it closely here, so this is the QR code stuck on it, and this is what the software would read it, and those are the bin numbers, A14 in big. So the software was able to read that, and you can see it's not always optimal how the QR code is. It can be at any angle. It's in a 3D space basically, so it is challenging, but I was able to get it done. Yeah, so the library would take in the image, is going to convert it into a grayscale, and after that the library is going to find out. This was to basically get the bin numbers, and this is kind of the architecture of where the cameras are and where the bins are. The cameras, we would be able to take snapshot of it once we get the bin numbers, take the snapshot of each bins, and the Hikvision cameras, they would patrol, and so once we get it out, they are able to read it. So these are the inventory numbers which the Python software has read using OCR, and it's out there. So let me know if you need help on a project. Thank you.